Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Skynet Tech. So today video tutorial is about how it's gonna affect us the new FCC bans on the router manufacturer. So at least I'm prepared if this is gonna go any farther down or if something is gonna hit the fan. Just I'm ready for it. So here I got the actual flint, the fruit flint that came out. I got one of this, and I got two flint two, and I got two flint three right there. And my newly acquired is the barrel 7 and the broom 3. So let's start by the flint, the actual flint. This flint, the GL AX 1800. This was the first release from GL that in it. So this flint is fully supported by OpenWRT firmware. So if manufacturer, if GL that in it stop supporting this router by next year, you can install OpenWRT in this one, and you still keep using as long as the router is alive. And that's the Flint 2 AX 6000. So this one is fully uh, supported by OpenWRT as well, and also the Flint 2 is supported by Fresh Tomato firmware as well. So if you go online, you can Google it and find a good guide to install Fresh Tomato on the Flame 2 other than OpenWRT. And the Flame 3, I'm not sure if, I don't think this one is fully supported by OpenWRT. We are hoping that it's gonna get supported, but at this moment, I'm not sure if it's gonna be supported or not. But it's also preloaded with custom OpenWRT built from GL in it. And the barrel 7 is supported by OpenWRT. That's the GLMT 3600 BE, and the Broom 3, which is the GLMT 5000. So all this router, if manufacturers stop supporting this uh, router, like releasing firmware updates and security fixes, you can go ahead and install OpenWRT without a hassle. And uh, so this is one since I started buying GL that in it has become one of my favorite router. Uh, but they're not the best, but they're not bad. Uh, I'm not sure how the warranty work on this one, but they're good hardware. Uh, I haven't had any issue with this. But this is my, I would say, my first router to go to, and my second one is uh Asus router. My third one, it will be TP-Link. A Netgear. I have some high-end Netgear router. My desk is not big enough to put them right here, but I have some, and I just to buy a lot of yeah, every year I just to upgrade my cable modem uh and get Netgear, but Netgear is a completely scam. They only give you 90-day support over the phone and 6 months warranty, something like that, or a year uh, of warranty. After the 90 days, you have to pay if you want customer support over the phone. So you have to pay for customer support over the phone. So that's why I stopped buying Netgear, and I haven't bought any Asus router quite for a few years. I haven't really checked what's on the market for Asus, but Asus is one of my favorite brands of router, along with TP-Link, and uh, so yeah. If you're looking for the router, I'm not being sponsored by a GL, so but I mean, personally, I like them for the wire guard capability and Asgard and remote access to it. Uh, so this is one of my favorite. Then we got one of the old Asus, the AC RT to the 200s, I believe. So this one I can install fresh tomato on this router on this Asus. So like I said, I have multiple routers of this. Some of them they're like used for like 3 6 months. I like to buy router and test them, see their performance, what uh what uh what performance I get, and uh what technology is in it. Like, one of the new Asus, they got AI technology already uh in the one of the most expensive router. So that's what I like to buy router. This one, there is nothing just but basics, basic settings, basic technology. Uh, unless you flash the firmware to an open source like Fresh Tomato, you'll get some more advanced features. Uh, so this one is just basic advanced basic features. There's nothing really exciting on this router. Then we got the Cudy AX3000 2.5 gigahertz router. This one, it can work as a good travel router, but it just is like quarter power. It's kind of powerful. So right there, since I discovered this, I got two of this. Uh, so this one, it got nice. It's preloaded with OpenWRT custom built, and this one, it lets the nice feature I like about this one is that you can pick the devices you want on VPN and the device that you don't want on VPN, just like a toggle switch, just on and off, and that device will go either through the VPN or no VPN. So that's one of the nice feature on this Cudy. That's the model right there, TR3000. Then we got this other Cudy right here, which is fully supported by OpenWRT. This this only support gigabit connections, so there's nothing. It's a Wi-Fi 6 along with the uh, AX3000 right there. So basic, this one and this one, they're the same AX3000, but different model. That's the TR. and this one is the WR3000 model. So this one, this and this have the same interface and the same features. On WireGuard, on these devices, WireGuard, I get about 300 to 350 megabits of a speed, a download speed on this router. And this one and that one, I already tested it. I was gonna make a video about it, but I haven't had the time to make a good video on this one. But eventually I will. And so yeah, this router, if the FCC completely ban this router and they don't get any waiver or stuff like that, I mean, I'm not worried about it. It's gonna hurt all of us, but you know, I can make I can make anything a router. Like I can buy a mini PC and install Fresh Tomato, OpenWRT, IP Fire, OPN Sense, uh, Open Sense, PF Sense. So like, see, that's my mini computer right there. I can use that as a router as well. It has 2 gigabit, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet NIC on the back. So this is the time if you wanna buy a router, either buy it right now, uh, or later on, because this is gonna it's gonna go wild. Uh, with the new FCC ban, unless something else changed on the next administration. But for the time being, we are all screwed because I'm not sure if these devices will keep getting firmware update by next year, sometime February or March 2027. I'm not sure if they're still gonna get a firmware update. If if we don't, or manufacturer it doesn't release any firmware update for these devices, then I mean we have to go to OpenWRT. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Honestly, for what I read online is that Netgear was the first company to get a waiver. I haven't heard about Asus, about TP-Link. I have uh I have multiple routers from TP-Link, not the new ones, the latest model, but I have some quite like mesh system that it came out a couple years ago, and the the last router I bought from Netgear, it was this one, which is a very very old router. So this one I can install OpenWRT as well, uh, DDWRT, and Fresh Tomato. I believe still support. But this is an old router. It's just collecting dust uh, over here. So this one I don't even use it anymore because just regular speed I will get about 400 500 megabits download speed, and my internet is 1 gig download. So I don't really use this one anymore. It just, for me, it's complete. It's a recycle. But like I said, I just have it there, just to uh kind of projects, like when I have a little bit of spare time, I just install it, some other software. I On this one, I believe I have a thing, Gargolate Gargolate firmware, and I'm not sure if it's being actively worked on the firmwares, but I have that. I just have it. So, but yeah, so this is the my favorite brands of router. Asus number one for hardware. Uh, I think number two for hardware warranty is Ubiquity router. Uh, they make good router as well, but they're too pricey. So I mean they have yeah, I can call it prosumer level, and uh, mostly is uh, advanced advanced routers for businesses and things like that. And also uh, the third one is I believe TP-Link. TP-Link will give you the kind of okay warranty uh, on their hardware, but Netgear is the worst. So I just try to stay away from Netgear. Netgear is just for me. I after I call uh, Netgear. I believe I have a video on my YouTube channel that uh, I, I didn't get any firmware update for my router for a whole year. So I called Netgear. Netgear told me, "Oh, you have to call to your ISP provider." I called my ISP provider, and they're like, "No, you have to call Netgear." So I was back and forth, and I got pissed, and I cursed them out over the phone, and so none of them gave me the good solution. Uh, so I moved forward, and I you know me as a consumer, anyone as a consumer, you have the power to pick and choose who you're gonna give your business to. And for me, I decided to stop buying Netgear router and modems. So that's why I don't buy them no more. So yeah, like this is just uh, a short video tutorial. What I wanted to show you guys. If you're looking for some good router on the market, Asus number. I mean, for me, Asus in GL that in it, that's the best one. Second, uh, second is TP-Link, and of course, there is a Ubiquity too. Ubiquity. Uh, if I would have the money to buy Ubiquity, I would like to buy them. I have a couple of them, or maybe a few of them, of their routers, but uh, it's just I'm not very proficiency with their system, so I know their system. I know how to set up a router, set up everything, the correct way, and but I just don't want to put uh too much time into something, just to get it up and running. So, but they're one of the good ones as well, along with Asus. Uh, yeah, and also I got some MikroTik router too. These are great router as well. Uh, some of them are capable of running Open WRT. Like I said, uh I have all kind of brands of a routers with me. Like I don't know. I think I'm addicted to routers. But the reason I buy them is to learn about the futures in their systems. Uh, what kind of security feature they have built in. So that's what I buy them. I have like I said, some Ubiquity routers as well. I have about 4 or 5 maybe. I have, and some of them are brand new. Some of them are like uh, open boxes that I have, and so yeah, that's that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking for the router, uh, this is to start with. This is one of the router you affordable router you can get. This These two are very affordable. This one is about 60, 75 bucks in Amazon. This one as well, same price. And so if you're on a budget and looking for a router that can get you with at least about 100 devices, this this two router here can handle it just fine. The Cudy, and this can handle about 100 devices. I have like about 65 devices on my network. So yeah, they handle it no problem. And this one I haven't tried this one because as you see they're brand new still. And this one it can handle. I'm gonna install this one right now, the Flint. Uh, since they came out, I never got my hand on one of them, but yeah, and this one as well. This one I already used it. And I put it back in the box because I'm constantly trying new routers and what what's the Cudy future they have in their system built in. And so yeah, all right guys, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.